Hey, what's up you guys? It's Deborah again. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I created this very peachy, very like gold, subtle, not too harsh, not too like natural look. So I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Obviously you're gonna know what I called it because of the title of this video and maybe the thumbnail. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this look. I enjoyed it a lot. I didn't use eyeliner because I wanted it to very like stand out, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It is a new year. I have a lot of content in store for y'all. I'm going to try and upload at least twice a week, maybe Wednesdays and Sundays, because Sundays are already for my weekly vlogs, so make sure you're checking that out as well. I used some new products and other products that were in my previous makeup tutorial, so if you haven't watched that already, make sure you check that out as well. But without further ado, let's get on to this video. I hope you guys liked it and keep on watching. Okay, so now that we have our eyebrows done, dude! My niece is in the back, so no one's ever seen me do my makeup before while filming, so this is weird. Anyways, now that we have our eyebrows done, I zoomed y'all in and let's get started with the look. Okay, so as a transition color, we are going to be taking this lightish brown in the Morphe 35O matte palette to start with the eye look. With a transition color, you can be very freely, you can apply it literally everywhere. You don't have to necessarily be so precise with it. But still make sure that you're blending it out thoroughly. That way in the upcoming shadows, they blend better and more smoothly. With the same palette, we are going to be using and mixing these 4 colors to start adding dimension to our eye. I'm going to be focusing this on the outer part of my eyelid, close to the crease, and then dragging it very lightly into my inner corner. So now we're going to be moving on a different palette. We're going to take this peachy color and we're gonna apply it on the outer part of our eyelid and really focus it on there. This is an e.l.f. palette. I don't know the name because it doesn't say, but it is e.l.f. I will be taking these 2 colors from the Morphe palette and I will be focusing this on the outer corner of my eye and on the inner corner to start creating the halo eye. To avoid harsh lines, I will be taking the e.l.f. blending brush right here and I will be blending out any harsh lines from the outer part of our eyelid. Next, I will be taking this sort of light red and we're going to apply it very lightly. We're not going to apply a lot. That way it doesn't ruin the whole effect of a sort of peachy look, but it's still there. So yeah. Next, we're going to be taking Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to be applying it on the middle part of our eyelid to start giving it kind of a depth effect for when we apply the glitter eyeshadow. So just like that, after you apply it, you are going to go ahead and take whatever you use to blend the colors together, and you're going to go ahead and blend it again just to avoid any harsh lines that you could have applied when you applied the light color. So next we're going to be taking these L'Oreal Infallible compacted shadows. They're kind of like a chrome shadow, very pigmented, and we're going to apply this on our eyelid. I will be adding this e.l.f. setting spray to my brush. That way whenever I apply it to the eyeshadow, it is more pigmented. And again, go back with your brush and clean it up That way it looks cleaner. This is what I came up with. I want to keep it very subtle, which is why I'm not going to go with eyeliner for this eye look. I'm going to go ahead and pop some eyelashes on, and then I'll zoom y'all guys out and we can start with the rest of our face makeup. I will be applying mascara with this Maybelline Mega Lash Volume Express mascara, and then I will be applying my lashes. And next I will be taking these Ardell lashes and we're going to apply them off camera. This is the Fox Mink line in the number 811. So now that our lashes have been put on, we are going to go ahead and prep our skin. I'm going to be using the Benefit Professional and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, as well as the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Spray. This smells really good. It smells kind of like coconuts, reminds you of like Hawaii kind of a little bit. Yeah. So next I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Correcting Palette. I will be taking the green shade and applying it on all the areas which I feel that need to be corrected. I used to put a lot of the product on my face, but within time I feel like I'm getting my normal clear skin back slowly but surely, so now I have to apply very less of it and I like it. Next, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I've been using this for a while. I really like it. I am in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. I'm going to be applying it on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to be dotting it out until I feel that it's all right. For contouring, I use this cream contour by Wet n Wild. I believe it's called like the Mega Glow. To be honest, I don't even know, but I only use the contour side, which looks like this. And yeah, so I use this before powdering up my face and setting it. That way it blends in easier because it is a cream. After that, I will be applying concealer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade 25 Medium. I don't use a lot of concealer just because I don't I don't really need it, but you know, just to clean it up. Oh, and I also do it on my smile lines because I do tend to crease. To blend out my contour, I will be using the Avon contour brush. It's a flat-ended brush, very dense. It's nice. Next, I will be taking the Real Techniques little sponge, and I will be blending out my nose contour and go ahead and blending out my concealer. And with the bigger Real Technique sponge, I'm going to go ahead and set my whole face with the Laura Mercier powder. After we have set our face, we are going to bronze up our face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I will be taking the Real Techniques Multitask Cheek Brush. After we are done bronzing up our face, we're going to go ahead and apply blush. This is the Milani blush in Coral Cove. After that, I'm going to be applying my highlighter. I will be using Bubbly, one of these two, Bubbly and Drippling Gold from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits. For my bottom lash line, I will be using these two colors to incorporate what we did on our upper eyelid, or our only eyelid on the eyelid. Then I will be applying my bottom liner. This is the Rimmel London Scandaleyes, I think, in the blackest shade. After we have applied all of that, before we apply our lipstick, we are going to go ahead and melt all of the powders in with the creams and all of that into our face, just so it can look a little bit more natural and a little bit less powdery. So we're going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and then we'll apply our lipstick. And to complete the rest of this look, we are going to be taking the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. And there you have it, you guys. This is the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the first video that is makeup wise of 2018. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then subscribe down below. Also, if you want, click the little bell next to the subscription box. That will keep you notified every time that I upload, so you won't be missing any videos. Yeah. All of my social media will be linked in the description box below, as well as at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And as I've always said, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye!